Managing multiple websites takes a lot of effort. It takes a lot of multitasking, it requires a lot of attention to detail. But what if I told you that you could save a considerable amount of time and effort if you used a feature called User Activity Logs? Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Julian and this is WordPress Explained. First of all, let me quickly explain what activity logs actually are. So a user activity log basically tracks all the changes that are made to your website, whether they are minor or major. These changes are stored as events. An event could be a new theme being added, a plugin being updated, or even a blog post being added. The user activity log also keeps a note of who made these changes and when. Basically, it's like a detailed timeline of your entire website, which is an invaluable tool. So I'm quickly going to tell you 3 ways how this can help you out a lot. Number 1, streamline debugging. It basically streamlines the process of debugging your website if something ever breaks in it. Instead of trying to look for that needle in the haystack, now you can find all the actions that led up to the issue, and then you have a finite set of probabilities, a set direction that you can follow and save a lot of time when you need to debug your website. Quickly managing access. Having a user activity log helps your admins to quickly manage issues like revoking somebody's access or fixing any hacks or problems that might have slipped through the cracks. Essentially, it helps you spot early signs of danger and take the appropriate steps required within the time that you have to deal with any issues that might affect your website. Boosting team accountability. A user activity log is really helpful for the collaborative environment in which websites are being run. It essentially lets you track each user's activity and all the events that took place up till a particular issue. It helps people in a team measure and give feedback on each person's task management, so the team can also get valuable feedback from it. Now that you've understood how useful the user activity logs can be, I have something really cool to share with you. Our team at BlogVault has come up with a really cool way to supercharge this user activity log feature. Here are 3 main reasons why this is so powerful. It's integrated right into your dashboard, so you don't need to install any plugins separately. As long as you have BlogVault, it's right there in the dashboard, enabled by default, and it's right there, easy to find. Over 3 months of events, you can find activity logs for up to 90 days now for historical debugging and accountability. Your website resources are not used at all. Everything takes place at our servers, which lets your website be as fast as possible. Also, we're continuously releasing new features such as a search capability, such as filters, and one new secret feature which is totally going to change the game. I've been sworn to secrecy here, I can't really give you details. Just check out the link in description and try out this tool for yourself. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. I think that's all for this video. My name is Julian. I am your friendly neighborhood geek, and I'll see you again next week.